There's one movement your body was designed to do, but most people have completely forgotten how. It's not flashy, it's not complicated, but it unlocks mobility, strength, and longevity in ways no machine at the gym can replicate. It's called the resting squat, and it might be the simplest missing piece in your daily movement. Let's explore what happens when you start using it every day, and why it could change the way your body feels for good. Knee support that feels like armor. When you sink into a deep squat, you're not just sitting low, you're recruiting an entire system of muscles, your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, to do what knee sleeves and braces can't: protect your joints from the inside out. Imagine your knees wrapped in living tissue, constantly adjusting and responding to pressure. That's what happens when you train them with this primal pattern. Over time, those muscles create a cushion of strength, making movements like climbing stairs or squatting down feel powerful instead of painful. Science backs this up. Deep squats build stronger knee extensors than shallow ones, leading to better shock absorption and joint control. Ankles, the hidden gatekeepers of mobility. Stiff ankles might seem harmless, until they throw off your entire movement chain. Tightness here forces your body to compensate, and that usually means extra pressure on your knees, hips, and lower back. The resting squat quietly works on this too. By keeping your heels down and your weight evenly distributed, your Achilles tendon and surrounding tissues get a gentle but effective stretch. Day by day, your ankle flexibility improves. You may not notice it right away, but your joints will. At first, if your heels won't stay grounded, elevate them slightly with a rolled towel or small wedge. Over time, as your mobility improves, you'll rely on it less and less. Core activation without a single crunch. Here's something unexpected. Deep squats engage your core muscles more than you think, but this isn't about aesthetics, it's about control and spinal protection. Balancing in a resting squat requires your entire midsection to activate. Your abs, obliques, and deep spinal stabilizers all work together to keep you upright. Unlike isolated ab workouts, this is functional strength, the kind that helps you move safely, lift things efficiently, and stand tall without back pain. You're building a strong core that supports real-life movement, not just posing for a mirror. Opening the hips equals unlocking freedom. Most of us have tight hips. Whether from hours of sitting, driving, or staring at screens, the result is the same: restricted movement and low-level discomfort that follows you everywhere. The resting squat counteracts that with deep, sustained activation of the hip flexors, rotators, and adductors. These muscles rarely get this kind of full-range engagement. Over time, your hips begin to move like they were meant to. Freely, powerfully, and without resistance. That means fewer pulls and strains, smoother sports movements, and a stronger stride that carries you through life. Decompressing your spine naturally. Posture problems are epidemic, and your spine often takes the brunt of it. But when you squat with your chest proud and back straight, you're gently decompressing the spine. Gravity shifts, pressure eases, your vertebrae get space to breathe. This natural traction is a powerful antidote to hours spent slouched in chairs or cars. With time, the resting squat helps restore the healthy curve of your spine and makes upright posture feel effortless again. A mental edge you didn't expect. There's another layer to this movement that goes beyond muscle and joints. The resting squat challenges your mental endurance. Holding it, especially when your legs are shaking and your brain is begging you to stand, builds resilience. You're learning to stay calm under tension, to breathe through discomfort, to train your mind the same way you train your body, through consistency, patience, and presence. That mindset carries into the rest of your life, helping you navigate challenges with a little more grit and grace. How to get started without burning out. Now don't rush it. Don't try to hit rock bottom depth on day one. Your goal is control, not collapse. Start with shallow holds. Use a countertop or a door frame for balance. Add a small heel lift if needed. Aim for 3 30-second sessions a day and gradually increase your time. Even better, tie it to your routine. Squat while brushing your teeth. Hold a squat during commercials. Wait for your coffee to brew. That's squat time. These tiny moments add up fast. 30 days later, here's what you'll notice. Your hips will move easier. Your balance will feel rock solid. That nagging stiffness in your back or knees, it'll start to fade. And you didn't need a gym membership, a fitness plan, or even workout clothes. You just needed to remember how your body was built to move. So if you're looking for one habit to unlock better posture, stronger joints, and lifelong mobility, the resting squat might just be it.